Then, withdrawing his eyes, he turns to his mind and says to himself, "This lifeless, unconscious cloud, like scattered cotton, surely does not know us, nor does it pity us and rush to our aid by itself. It does not appear or vanish without command. On the contrary, he acts under the command of an all-powerful and all-merciful commander, because they disappear without a trace and suddenly reappear and start doing business. And with the decree and power of a most active, exalted, majestic and splendid sovereign, it fills and empties the realm of the sky time after time, continually writing with wisdom upon the tablet of effacement and affirmation, turning it into the form of resurrection and the last day."